Digestive system idioms. British.com.
Cast iron stomach. If you can eat or face anything, particularly things that make other people feel sick, we say you have a cast iron stomach. My brother-in-law had a cast iron stomach and would often eat vindaloos, while I could only manage a madras.
Go belly up.
If a company or business fails and goes out of business, we say it has gone belly up. Over half of new businesses go belly up within the first 2 years. Note, probably from the fact that dead animals are often found belly up.
To be yellow-bellied. Person who is cowardly or lacks courage is yellow-bellied. Don't be so yellow-bellied. Tell her to leave you in peace. Hate someone's guts.
If you hate someone's guts, you absolutely detest them.
Why do you stay married if you hate his guts?
Gutted. When you are extremely unhappy or disappointed by something that has happened outside of your control, you are gutted.
The patient was gutted when his new kidney was rejected. Gut-wrenching.
Something that you find extremely unpleasant or which causes you great distress or sadness is gut-wrenching.
I have to say that was the most gut-wrenching scene I've ever witnessed in the movie. Note, to wrench is to pull suddenly with some force. Not able to or cannot stomach something.
If you cannot tolerate or endure someone or something, you're not able to or cannot stomach them or it.
I'm not able to or can't stomach such excessively self-indulgent kind of behavior. A fire in your belly.
A fire in your belly is when you have the emotional fortitude or drive to achieve something or to take action.
He approached the problem with a fire in his belly and quickly found a solution. Sick to the stomach.
Something that makes you feel sick to your stomach is so unpleasant it makes you feel physically ill.
The first time I went to the scene of an accident, I felt sick to my stomach.
A gut reaction or feeling. A gut reaction or feeling is based on your immediate feelings or intuition about someone or something.
When I heard his story, my gut reaction was to disbelieve him. Now I'm not so sure. Butterflies in your stomach. A feeling of nervousness in your stomach is called butterflies in your stomach.
I think that anyone who has to speak in public experiences butterflies in their stomach. Misery guts. Someone who perpetually complains and is never happy when they should be could be described as a misery guts. I'm not going to spend 4 hours on a plane with that misery guts, that's for sure.
Turn the stomach.
When you feel sick, and usually because you're upset or angry about something, that something turns your stomach. The thought of having to eat 6 raw eggs after every workout turned my stomach.
In the pit of your stomach. If you feel something in the pit of your stomach, you have a strange tight feeling in your abdomen, usually because you are afraid. I had a funny feeling in the pit of my stomach. Note, pit is the lowest part of something. I have no stomach for something.
When you dislike or are unable to tolerate something, you have no stomach for it.
I have no stomach for opera. Have guts.
To have the guts to do something is to be brave and courageous enough to undertake it.
Trust me, he doesn't have the guts to fire you. To have a strong stomach.
If you can experience very unpalatable things without feeling upset, you have a strong stomach. Some of the things I saw as a policeman demanded a very strong stomach.
Have a bellyful of something. When you have had a bellyful of something, you have had more of it than you are willing to tolerate or endure. I've had a bellyful of your complaining.